Hey you guys, what's up? What's going on? It's Amber Higgins coming at you live from Charleston, South Carolina. As you guys are hopping on, say hi, say hello. Let me know in the comments below where you guys are watching from. As always, I do a weekly prize tag giveaway for sure. So make sure you guys tap the little arrow button, share the video to your page, share it to a friend, comment share it in the comments below for your chance to win. Hi Cheyenne, hey Annie, hi Samantha, say hi as you guys are hopping on, say hello. All right, so I cannot believe that I'm eating this nasty crap right here. Actually, I lie, it's not nasty. It used to be nasty to me. I think it was because like I don't really like fishy things. Like, do you guys like fish? First of all, yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. I do not like the smell of fish, so therefore I immediately told myself, ugh, we don't like fish. Okay, I've also tried fish multiple times, and I think just the way that it was cooked was just not for me. But when I was in Vegas at the beginning of March, by the way, say hi as you guys are hopping on. Hey, Lori. Hey, Connie. Hey, hey, Mikhail. Hi, Rebecca. If I don't say your name right, can you guys please let me know? Because sometimes I'll be making myself look like a fool. Anyways, when I was in Vegas in March for my business event that I spoke on stage at, did you guys see that? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments below. They had salmon for lunch, and I was like, well, I'm hungry, so I gotta eat this. I gotta give it a try. And I actually really liked it. And so I was like, you know what? When I got home, I was like, when I went grocery shopping, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try to make it because I kind of liked it. Like, it wasn't my favorite, but I was like, I put some teriyaki sauce on it, and it was like actually not bad. So anyways, we're making salmon for dinner. What are you guys having for dinner? Y'all can let me know in the comments below. Hey, Melody. Hey, Marcella. Oh my God, your name is beautiful. Hi, Michelle. Hey, Elaine. Hi, Rachel. Thank you for sharing over here, Allison. Appreciate you. All right, so we just got some salt and some pepper. Hi, Erica Heim. How are you, baby? So some salt and pepper. I go heavy on the pepper. Okay, like I don't want to taste the fish. Okay, I need to wash my hands really quick because I just touched the fish and the smell of fish makes me want to vomit. So hold on while I wash my fingers. Y'all make sure you guys tap the share button. I don't even know if you guys can hear me over here. If you guys can hear me, drop some ears in the comments below. Anyways, so for those of you who are new to watching me, y'all can drop new in the comments below. So I am actually making, so I'm just using a recipe off of Pinterest. Hold on, I can't even talk right. I made salmon not too long ago. I just don't remember the recipe that I used, and it was really good. So I'm using this honey garlic salmon recipe off of Pinterest. So we'll see how it goes. Showing support, I appreciate you, Ashley. I appreciate you, girlie. All right, so it says get a bowl out. We're gonna do 1/3 cup of honey. I don't really feel like dirtying up this thing, so I'm just gonna like eyeball this. Oh no, why the honey is all the way at the bottom. This is gonna take freaking years to get the honey out. Oh, you guys can hear me good. Okay. How did you ignore people staring at the gym? I'm starting to go. I honestly, like, I just don't care. Like, stare away. And I know that's, like, not the answer you want to hear. But you just kind of have to go in there and just understand that people are not looking at you. Like, they are so worried about what they're doing and worried about people looking at them. Trust me when I say, oh, warm the bottle in the microwave? Okay. Okay. For how long? I literally look like the biggest bum of all time. I did yard work all today. Did you guys see that in my stories? Y'all watch my stories? If you watch my stories, drop stories in the comments below. But yeah, I recorded the entire thing and it literally kicked my ass. But I had so much fun. Oh, a couple seconds. Oh, good Lord. I put it, the thing was starting to explode. Oh, Lord, have mercy. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh. Okay, it's hot. I don't know. Oh! Whoa, that just squirted out. What the hell? Oh my God. Okay, we got some honey up in here. I don't know if that's gonna be what we need. Anyways, you are so pretty. Oh, Ashley, I appreciate you, babe. Thank you guys for sharing. I appreciate that. I'm having a hard time looking at the comments over on TikTok. So say hi, say hello. Hi, Kayla. Hi, Cheyenne. Holly says you're so funny. Well, literally, that should just like a baby boy when you take their diaper off, and that thing just starts. That's what that honey just did to me. All right, so we got a 1/3 cup of honey. We're gonna do a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I feel like I should definitely measure out the soy sauce because I feel like you can definitely overdo this for sure. All right, so 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm using the reduced sodium because, like, yeah, I'm just trying to stay healthy, you know what I mean? Who on here is on a health journey? If you guys are on a health journey, fitness journey, y'all can drop a meat in the comments below. I'm just curious who's on here that is on the same journey as me. If you're not, that's okay. Just drop a no. That's cool too. We still love you. Okay, so we have soy sauce. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Teaspoon or tablespoon? Teaspoon. All right, so garlic powder. You're trying. I love it. I love it. I love to see it. So I have tons of easy recipes, meal plans, grocery list, my workouts as well. So if you guys are working out in the gym and you need like a workout plan, I created a resource for free. I just created like my own little website with all of my favorite meals, recipes. Meals and recipes are the same thing. Duh! Workouts, all of that stuff. So if you guys want access to that, just drop help in the comments below. If you're on TikTok, what you're gonna need to do is message me the word help on Instagram because for some reason TikTok like disappears, like you disappear. Like the comments disappear on TikTok whenever I get off of here. So y'all are gonna have to message me the word help on Instagram, okay? Deal? Deal. What's your workouts? Is it the same thing every day? No, I do something different every single day. So I have an entire workout routine that I follow every single week. And I have had crazy results with it. So you're definitely gonna want that, especially if you're new to the gym too. It's gonna be definitely super helpful for you. All right, so we lined our air fryer basket with some aluminum foil for easy cleanup. And now we're just going to, oh my God, I should have put my hair up for this. What the hell? Brad, hi Bradford, I love you so much. Hi Stephanie, say hi as you guys are hopping on. Make sure you guys tap that share button too. Okay, so we're gonna slap this salmon in here. Brad, I can't believe I am eating salmon. Okay, now I feel like I need to wash my hands again because okay. Anyways, BRB, y'all share the video. Okay, do your thing. You know what to do. All right. Okay. Ooh, this needs to be put in a bag and go away because it smells gross. Go over there. Okay. We are going to, I don't really have a painter, you know what I mean? Like the painter thing that you're supposed to paint with. So I'm just gonna, let me be like a normal human and get a freaking spoon out. I was about to use a measuring thing for it, but yeah. All right, so now it says, place the salmon into the air fryer and evenly pour the glaze over top. Make sure if you're using minced garlic that the garlic stays around. We're not using minced garlic, so it doesn't matter. Replace the lid and cook for, I'm supposed to preheat my air fryer for 3 minutes. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna skip that part. I could just like do this. That's what I could do. Well, the honey is like very liquidy, so I would assume if the honey was not liquidy, this would look a little different, but I'm sure it's still gonna taste the same. All right, yummy, delicious, delicioso. All right, now this is gonna go in the air fryer for 4 minutes. That don't make no sense. I think the last ones I did 10 minutes each side. I'm just gonna like, I'll figure it out. All right, so what am I supposed to do? 400 for time. It says 8 minutes. There's no way that's true, but we're gonna do it. If this recipe has me eating raw fish, I'm suing them. I'm gonna sue them. Y'all know I'm good for that. I'm just kidding. That was just a joke. That was just a joke. I would love for you to, I would love to message you for workouts. Yeah, just message me the word help on Instagram. Or if you're on Facebook and you want to do me a favor, message me the word help on Facebook. And I'll shoot you guys my, my website. It's totally free, has all my workouts, has tons of yummy recipes, healthy recipes. Really everything that taught me how to lose weight. I lost 30 pounds of fat in 3 months, 3 years ago. I've recently lost 15 more pounds, which is a big deal. So yeah, I would love to help you guys. Just drop the word help. Hi Holly, hi Danica, hi Karen, hey Cami. Okay, so I will post a picture in my stories. Leo, bug, what are you doing, boy? He just anyways, he just distracted me. Hi Karen, how are you, babe? Salmon don't take long to cook. Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. You envy me. Why? Don't do that. Don't do that. Let me help you. How about that? Okay? Anyways, I don't know what I was saying. Oh, watch my stories to see how the salmon turns out. I might cook some rice with it and some broccoli. I don't know. Or I might just eat the salmon. I don't know. We don't know. All right, I should probably end the live. Thank you guys for the stars over on Facebook. That's so cool. Like, you guys can support me by sending me stars. I don't even know what that means. I think it's money. That's pretty cool. So I appreciate all of it. But I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you want to support me for absolutely free, make sure you guys tap that share button, share it in the comments below for your chance to win my weekly giveaway. But I hope you guys have a good night. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are eating for dinner and if you have any yummy recipes that I need to try because I'm looking for some new recipes. But anyways, y'all have a good night and I'll see you guys soon. Bye y'all.